Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. You're going to learn how to make this 720-degree peplum top. If it's something that you're interested in, please keep watching. My name is Okongene and you're welcome to my channel. For all those that have subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing, liking and watching, and also sharing my videos. So let's go over to the tutorial right about now. So to cut 720-degree flare, let me turn this upside down. To cut 720-degree flare, you would need, for 360 you will need it times 2 to give you 720, meaning that you have to cut 360 flare or peplum 2 times to give you the 720 degree that you have here. So for 360, if my waist is 34, I divide it by 4, it gives me 5. Now for 360 I'll be having half of this, and for 720 I'll be having half of this, because 720 I'll be doing 34 divided by 8, which will be giving me 4.25, which will be half of this one. So for your round, now I'm folding this into 2. Let me show you. I'm folding this into 2 to get this cone shape. So peplum is like a cone shape up and down. So for this up side, this round part is going to give me 4.25, right? So this part is going to give me 4.25 for me to get this 720 flare that I want. This part will give me 4.25, and I will have it 2 times. So let me show you what it looks like. So for the 4.25, now I'll curve it like this. I'm trying to get like a proper curve. So if I'm marking here, the distance from here to here is about 2.5 inches. Not really 2.5 inches though, it's more than 2.5 inches. So I will go ahead to mark now that part at a circular form. Now if I'm measuring these parts back, I'm having 4.25 at this part. So I will go ahead to take out some inches down. So instead of me to have 4.25, I want to have half of an inch. So I want it to be 4.75. So instead of me to cut it like, let me mark it like so. Instead of me to cut the exact measurement, which is 4.25, I want to add half an inch. So I will go down a bit. Now let me measure what I have here. If I go down a bit, now I have like 4.75 like I wanted. So this is what I want for my curve with the allowance I want up. So I would do like, this is the folded part, the 2 edge folded parts. I would measure the length at which I want. I will measure the length at which I want my peplum to be. So I want my peplum to be 8 inches. So I'll mark 8 inches. 8 inches. So I'll mark it to be 8 inches. Then I'll go ahead to do a dotted line. To connect like so. So this is what the peplum is going to look like. So I need to have this so to get the peplum, I folded it into four the same way I have here on the paper. It's like this. I folded into two, just like this, and then I folded it to this side to make it four. So these two places open like this, why these two places completely closed. Now you see, so I'll place it like this, the same way I cut the fabric, I cut the paper. That's what I want to do on this part. The only thing is I'm not going to cut it exactly here. I'm going to leave an allowance behind. I'll be cutting this again. So I made use of wadding to put on the clothes. So I ironed wadding on the lining to give it weight. But if you have crinoline and estay, you can use crinoline and estay on yours. But I ironed wadding on the lining to give it weight. And then you go ahead to divide it. Just watch what I'm doing. You're going to divide it into equal part because we are going to be joining it. So I went ahead to join it like what you're saying. I've joined each other, joined the middle point. This is one part of the 360 and that is the other part of the 360. I went ahead to join it and turn it. So when you turn it, you give it a good press and then you have to attach it to your blouse or make it a detachable peplum. For me, I attach it to my blouse and you're going to see the video at the end of the tutorial. So this is what it looks like at the ending. I'm placing it on my mannequin and this is what yours is going to look like. I actually pleated it because it's on the mannequin, but I'll be adding mine to a top to make it a peplum blouse, which you'll be seeing very soon. So this is the finished work. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until next time, bye.